Oh. Oh. Who is that over there, huh? Who is that? Say nice, Romy. You're a ham. Hi. Hi. You're a ham.
Come here, Braden.
Oops.
Come here. Come here.
Daisy says, I'm here, Dad. Hmm?
He said, what did you need with him?
No, can't touch.
Oh, she didn't. Boy, she didn't like me stopping to pet Romeo.
There you go. Go. You can't have the camera.
What's this? Oh, she didn't do it that time. Boy, just.
Where you going, Braden?
A second ago, she had a pet when I stopped petting her.
Come on.
Come here.
Oh, you're silly. You silly. Come on. Huh? There you go. You gonna see the babies?
Come here.
Come here, Braden.
Come here.
Come here. Come here, Braden. Hey, where'd you go? There he is. Come here. Come here. Come here.
How'd he get over there? How'd he get through?
He goes between the couch and the rug, see?
I didn't think there was enough space for him to get through
He
there.
says it's for me, Grandpa.
I didn't know I could get through there.
Oh. Oh.
I was wondering, getting after your coasters.
Whoops. Whoops.
Well, now's your chance with your camera.
It's going.
Oh.
Hmm?
No, now you're going to get a shot of his legs.
You can't have it. What do you think, huh? Is that your buddy? Is that your buddy? Here he comes. Comes your buddy. What is his leg? He says, rub, Mom, rub. I love you. Come on.
How come there aren't no plug caps in the outlet?
Who is that? Is that Romy? Is that your buddy, Romy? What do you think?
He said, I just want to run over there and grab that. No.
No. There you go.